Patrick. So we're going to get these x-ray pictures of your back teeth. So we're going to take camera on this side here and on this side here, okay? So to do that we need Mr. Crocodile. Have you met him before? No. Olivia met him. And he was really bold and he was biting everyone. So we put this little band on him to stop him biting. Isn't that clever? And so now he can help us and he can bite our pieces of paper instead. But I want you to practice biting on his head. You see the yellow bit there? See if you can bite the crocodile's head off. Chin up high in the sky. That's it. And let's see, can you bite his head? Excellent work. Nice one. Big wide open again. So now we're going to get our camera. We're going to put that near your cheek. Okay? And this time we're going to put the picture in and we're going to do it for real. So you just look straight ahead. Now don't look at anyone else. Just look at the yellow fish on the wall, okay? Good man. So big widesters. Awesome. So it's going to be tickly. It's going to tickle in here. Okay? All the way in there. Oh, it's going to tickle up here. Right up to your brains. Okay? And then we throw the tickles out the window. Now you put your chin up high in the sky. Breathe through your nose. And keep your toes pointed nice and straight. Good man. Big wide open now for me. So now don't bite my fingers. I need them for later. Now gently close your teeth together. That's it. Bring the bottom ones up to the top. Lovely. Keep it together. You can do it. I'll get you a prize afterwards. Keep very still and Carol's going to press the button when I step away. Very still, very still, very still. Amazing. Good job. Well done. Fantastic. Amazing.